convert a decimal number, to any number with base up to 9, base into 7, 5, 8, any base which the user will enter the base. And after that, it will convert the decimal number into that base. Let's see how to convert this and how to make the program. Let's have a variable number. An integer it is, because it is base 10. Enter. Let's have enter decimal. Enter decimal. Now we want just a base from the user. Which base the user want to be changed? The decimal base to up to 9. This is common. And let's see. If not, this is also a keyword of Python. Not means nothing. If not means not equal to or anything which is related to not. If not lesser than or equal to base or lesser than or equal to 9, the number which I have given, then quit. It's a function in Python. So let's have a new number. A new number is an empty string. Is an empty string. Let's use a while loop here. While number, this number, the first number which the program takes from the user, while number is greater than 0, new number is initialized with str, means string, number modulus base. So actually this is the formula of changing a new number. And let's have the number divided equal to base. It's assigned. Let's have here double, because we just ignore about more floating number. Let's print the new number. We will see what the result will be here.